So, good afternoon, friends. Um, Today, I'm going to explain about my first exercise program, which is based upon the concept of inheritance. So, according to my concept, this is my application where I need to have admin account holder, two types of accounts. So if admin, I need to I have the privileges of opening account, editing the account of holder, manage account, sanction account. If I am the account holder, then I can have these privileges, which are withdrawal, deposit, balance inquiry, apply for the loan, and fund transfer. Here is my interface where I am just declaring my functions: create, edit, manage, sanction, loan for the manager, like for the admin. And this is my abstract class where I'm declaring the necessary variables for the entire program. And then here, this is my main admin class where I am extracting, like I'm inheriting my bank management abstract class and the banking interface. And here, when we look through this, here the bank admin have four privileges, which are called create. He can create the account for the account holders, and he can manage the account, edit the account, and he can sanction the loan. So first, when we go through this create account, I have two types of accounts in my program, which are called the saving account and the current account. And here, when I look into this saving account, the bank manager, the bank admin, can create an account number and enter the name. He can give account type, address, phone number, amount, and income for the particular account holder with the predefined details which are given by the account holder. And if he goes to the current account details, and the same thing follows, and it will be stored in the current account detail account. And then I have this manage function where again it goes the same, where I have saving and current. And in saving, when I'm managing account, I can manage the account by displaying the account details. And here I will get a display the detail. And then I have the third function, which is edit function, where a bank admin can edit the functions of the particular account holder, where he'll ask the account number and it checks in the array of the account number, and if that account number is existing, then he can go inside the account and then he can edit the name, phone number, address of the particular bank holder. It goes the same with the current account details also, the current saving account. And then he have a function called sanction loan, where he can sanction the loan for both saving and current loan. Once the loan is applied by the account holder who has saving account or the current account, then the bank manager can sanction the loan by just checking his account number, and then he can just sanction the loan which was applied by the particular savings account or the current account holder. And then I have a class C class, which is called the employee class, and which is inheriting the admin class. And here we have four sub functions where the employee could perform with them. There's a withdraw, where in withdraw we have, if the account holder is asked which type of account he has, he can just check out, like he can give the option of saving or current. And then if his account is existing in the saving account, he goes inside the saving account, he gives the account number, and then it goes like and then he can give the amount of balance he can withdraw, and the balance will be withdrawn. And the same thing with the deposit, he gives the account number, and the it adds to the remaining balance and it displays. Same with the balance inquiry. We can just give the account number and it displays the balance in your particular account. And then it has a loan application form where he can apply the loan by giving his account number. And the particular loan is like, if his income is greater than 50 lakhs and the amount is 10 lakhs, he can get the loan, because unless until his income is greater than the loan amount, only the bank can sanction the loan. Because if his particular income is less than the loan amount what he's applying for, he cannot get the loan. So it is same with the current account details also. And then we have fund transfer. The particular bank account holder can transfer his money which is existing in his account some other bank. If it is bank of we have three types of banks. If it is Bank of Baroda, State Bank and Syndicate Bank. So if it is Bank of Baroda, the tax will be 60 and the syndicate will be 50 and the State Bank will be 30 rupees. So once he gives the bank and he gives his account number, he can transfer to the particular bank, and if it is amount is less than 1000 in his existing account, he cannot transfer the money. The balance will be deducted from his particular amount with the tax money according to the bank. So when we go to the main menu, we have two classes, which is called admin, and the other one is called the account holder. So we are creating two objects to access the elements or the functions from these two classes, which is called AD and the other one is called EMP. And now when we have admin, account holder and exit, when we go and choose, if you are an admin, if you choose the admin, you need to enter a password which is already stored in the program, which is equal to admin, and the password is equal to password. So when your particular username and password equals only these two names, then you can go inside the admin and can access the functions which are given by the as the privileges to the admin. So once we have the correct password and the username, you can go and create, edit or manage or sanction loan. And if you're your account holder, then you can go inside it, and then you have privileges of 5 functions, and you can go and deal with those functions. So once we run the program, so we have admin, and then we can enter the username as admin and password as password, and now we can create an account. We'll create one saving account where we can create 2 accounts in savings. And now if we enter the account number as 123 and name as some Ammu, and the account type is savings, and some address, and then the phone number, and the amount in the, like when we are opening the account, we need to have some amount. So we can start with 500 and go anywhere, like you can have any much amount you want to store in the starting, and your income, which can be 5 lakhs, and the other account number is 121. Name will be Anu, and the account type is savings. Enter the address and the phone number. Amount will give us 1500, and income as 3 lakhs. Now we'll go out it. Of it, and again, so enter the username, which is called admin password, and here we can once we want to display the details, we can just see the details where our account number is 123. So this is a particular account details where we created 123 account number, and one unique ID will be given for particular for every particular account which is created, and then these are the details of the particular account holder. If you want to see the other account holder details, it doesn't exist, so it doesn't show it. So when we come out, again enter the password, username and password. And now when we want to edit edit any of the account holder details, you give the account number first, you want to edit the details. Yeah, so now enter the account number for which you want to edit. When we give this 123 as account number, it's asking which part of the account holders details you want to edit. So when I want to edit the name from Ammu to Amulya, it will be edited. Now when we want to check the admin, so when we want to check the details of particular edited account, you can just go and view the details. See, it was changed to name as Amulya. So now when we want to open instead of admin to account holder, we can just go to account holder. If you want to withdraw the money, you just with the unique ID, so that enter the first one. What we entered is 1000 rupees, so when we withdraw it should be like 2000 rupees. So when we withdraw it is 500 rupees, and the account number is 123. So when we exit, and if we want to deposit, as the present remaining balance is 500, when we want to deposit the money in the same particular account, you can just add as the remaining particular amount is 500. When we add 2000, so when we enter the amount to deposit, so it displays the account number and the remaining balance is 700, because the previous amount was 500. When we add 500 plus 200, so it will be 700. So when we want to have a balance inquiry for the account, unique ID 123 account number, and we have balance of 700. So when we want to transfer, just give the account number. You want to transfer to State Bank, amount to transfer is 100 rupees. Okay, we will go as 200 rupees, and remaining, as the account is below 700, it is not possible to transfer the amount what is requested.